Hi, my name is Nancy and I'm going to show you how easy the hidden secret card is to make when you have this die set. So to actually make the card itself, you're going to need this piece and you're going to need this piece. Okay, right, let me take that away just for a moment and I'll show you it. So this is the actual card size itself, and then these pieces are for your cuts and your score lines. Okay, so very simple. Now you can do that at the same time, but I would suggest that you do this first, cut it first, and then you will put that right there in the center. Now before you do that, cut it, and then I would literally fold it in half like this. And then you're going to use this piece, pop it on there, making sure that you've got your centerpiece here. You're going to keep that right there and run that through. Don't forget to put some low tack tape to keep it into place. Now when you've done that, you lift this up, this is what you have. So you've got a score line along here. Obviously you've got, this has actually given a little bit more of a score line here, right there in the center. And you've got another score line here. And then along here, you've got all these slits, okay? Right, so we've already done that. Now what you can do is put it that way if you want to. And that's the way that I quite like to see it. Okay. So that's really easy at the moment, isn't it? Really simple. Right, now, how do we make that into a hidden secret? You're going to also get these panels. You're going to get this panel as well. See, cut these already. These are perfect for these inner pieces here, but they're also perfect as matting and layering on the outside of the card. Right, so I've got one here, so I'm going to pop that in there. Now I'm weaving it. Can you see that? I'm weaving it. So that's easy, isn't it? And then this one, I want that to go a different way, just slightly different. So we're going to pop that in there and weave it through. And put that in as well. So that's it. So lovely, isn't it? It's really nice, looks gorgeous. You've got it at the back as well. Look, I've got it on the back. Okay, that's all right, isn't it? It's nice. Yeah, it's lovely. But you see what I just did? Look at that. Okay. So it could be this way if you want it to be that way. But if you turn that in, you can open it up and there is your secret. So that gives you an opportunity to use the dies that we have in there as well. So we've got, you're not going to be able to see this very well, but you've got sentiments that you could put in there. You've got these wonderful little icons. We have little hearts, we've got some little flowers. We've also got all these pieces as well that will work with these. You've got these pieces as well. You might want to put a sentiment inside that. You've got more of these. There's so much that you can do with them. I like the idea that you have corners as well. So you can put your corners like that. Or you could maybe do it with one of those. You've also got these pieces as well. Look at that. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? Now that will stay in your cardstock if that's what you'd like it to do. Equally, you've got this beautiful die that has got this lovely little scalloped edge as well. That will work beautifully with it too. There is so much that you can put on there if that's what you want to do. I like this one as well. You might want to decorate that on the front. So that's how it works. It's not just about the hidden secret, it's also about the beautiful dies that you will get with this wonderful die set, and you're going to have so much to play with. Isn't that lovely?